Okay, let's I just made this sharpener a little while ago. It's kind of in the rough, but let's see how it works, okay? There you go. That's what I've threw together this morning here, and I'll show you how I did it if you're interested. I took this head off here, off of the chainsaw sharpener, and I had a hinge there that I put in here, and this has a 3/8 inch bolt right here. It goes through there to the other side. And I had to drill the hinge out here. This holds out 3/8 inch, and I just set it at 10 degrees back here. Bolt it to a piece of angle iron right here. And this is my tooth setter. I just kind of already had this. I just tightened this side down. This is the side that kind of slides back and forth. And I just used everything else I already had here on my tooth setter, so looks like it works pretty good. Looks like it's more accurate than the way I was doing it by hand. So anyway, I just thought I'd show you this here, and that's about all there was to this. There wasn't a whole lot to it, was there? Just you know, this head here with the hinge on it here that I had. I took a hinge apart, you know, get you a better shot there over here. And I guess that's about it on this video here. Stand back here a little bit. So I mean, it's not no fantastic job. I just threw it together real quick. But anyway, that's about it. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.